many people who visit or pass through the Luciton Center are not aware that the capital of Hanover spans a 1-mile radius and is not just limited to the area surrounding Bustamante Square. There are many delightful spots in Lucy that few people talk about, the most picturesque of which is the summit of Haughton Court. The Haughton Court summit is a very therapeutic place. The chirping birds and the soft Caribbean breezes will put you right at ease. This place is also ideal for lovers of nature and lovers of Lucy. If you are a Hanoverian, whether living in Jamaica or are in the diaspora, this area, which adjoins First Hill and the former Jockey Factory, will make you fall in love with Lucy all over again. The summit overlooks the Horton Industrial Estate and provides a spectacular view of the ocean, as well as the Russey's High School's legendary football field, where many champion teams were made. For decades, the site, oftentimes referred to as a lands because it also housed the National Land Agency's parish office, has become home to the Rural Agricultural Development Authority's office, RADA.
Welcome to RADA.
RADA now has a modern, spacious office at the location, and for this, all of Hanover is proud. If you need assistance with your farm or are interested in going into farming or agro-processing, then RADA's extension and home economics officers are ready and willing to help you realize your agricultural dreams. Perhaps the greatest thing about this area is the fact that fruit trees are in abundance. Let's go for a little tour so we can see some of the offerings of Haughton Court. Soursop has been widely used globally as a traditional medicine for many diseases.
What the young Soursop looks like. So it changed from a blossom to this, and then it's gonna burst open. It's gonna open and then fall, and then you'll have. So let me show you this. So this is the next stage of it. All right. So you see that pod-looking thing bursting open, and then these will fall off to the ground, and then you'll have this. First, then what comes next will be this. And then this will grow bigger until it's ripe, and then that's how you can make your smoothies or your sauce or juice or whatever it is. Here.
Avocado trees are known to thrive in Haughton Court and other parts of Lucy and Hanover. Commonly used in spas, in skin and hair masks and treatments, avocados have high antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Avocados also help with digestion and assist with the control of blood sugar.
Alright, so these are avocados and we call them Jamaican pear. Yeah. Alright, so these should be ready in maybe weeks from now. There are some others. So this place, Haughton Court, is full of fruits. Yeah, this place, Haughton Court, is full of a lot of fruits and herbs. You can't go hungry in Hanover. You can't.
breadfruit is an important energy food because it contains starch and sugar, which are readily available sources of energy.
This is for boys.
Juplums are good sources of vitamin A, C, and K, which are also good natural antioxidants. Antioxidants reduce or neutralize free radicals, which can cause vision loss, arthritis, damage to nerve cells in the brain, activate cancer cells, among other things. A 2013 study carried out by researchers in Bangladesh noted that although juplums are commonly used as a food source, it is also used to cure itchiness, internal ulceration, sore throat, and inflammation of skin, while the leaves of the plant have shown anti-diabetic activity. The tree's astringent bark is also used as a remedy for diarrhea in some Asian countries. Very nourishing and potassium rich, banana was a major export crop for Hanover for many decades. The banana is regarded as among the most nourishing foods in Jamaica, with great medicinal value as it is rich in antioxidants and has a large number of phytonutrients. In the hospitality sector, it is one of the key ingredients in blended fruit punch. Nationwide, green bananas are used to make chips, ground into flour, or used to make porridge. A 2017 review undertaken by researchers from the College of Health and Biomedicine at the Victoria University in Australia noted that bananas have enormous health benefits as a food for both animals and humans and have been used as a complementary medicine to treat pathological conditions since ancient times. Green bananas in general are incredibly nutritious and can serve as a good source of fiber, resistant starch, vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and potassium. Eucalyptus oil has been reported as being effective in reducing pain, swelling, and inflammation. A 2018 study in the Journal of the Science of Food and Agriculture found that eucalyptus leaf aromatic oil has astounding widespread biological activities. These include antimicrobial, antiseptic, antioxidant, chemotherapeutic, respiratory, gastrointestinal disorder treatment, and wound healing.
Oh, it's like green one, the green one that smells so strong, you know. Yes. It's gonna be dry one. It's gonna dry one.
A 2014 study published in the West Indian Medical Journal found that Ackee, which is an unsaturated fat, has additional health benefits through its high protein content and being a good source of vitamins B and C, zinc, calcium, and fiber.
These Ackees are still closed, so you cannot eat these Ackees until they have burst open. Right? At this point, they are poisonous. If you cut them open, they're poisonous. So you have to wait until they burst open. Which I understand is that they release a poisonous gas when it bursts open. This is our national fruit. As you know, this is our national fruit, the Ackee, and along with codfish forms our national dish. So we'll see if we can find any open ones. As I said, this is poisonous right now. So this here on this bunch we have an open Ackee. This one is open. Alright, so this is an open Ackee. Right? So this can be eaten, cooked and eaten with codfish, and that makes our national dish, Ackee and saltfish.
Hanover has been credited as a parish with the largest number of mango varieties in Jamaica. Mangoes come in several hundred species, each with a different size, shape, and look. Many species, such as the stringy or common mangoes, serve as a good aid in preventing and relieving constipation due to their high containment of fiber. A delightful addition to fruit salads, mangoes are also popularly used to make chutney, juices, and jellies. The gum of the mango tree is also used in dressings for cracked feet and for scabies. It is also considered anti-syphilitic. Bountiful Java trees are also a feature of the area. One of the world's hardest fruit trees, Java has been used to treat diabetes for centuries. It is grown extensively in Retrieve, a few miles away from Lucy, at the Hanover Java Farms, which also produces teas, Java wine, jelly, and a refreshing Java juice. A study conducted by researchers at the Pennsylvania State University and others in 2016 found that Java plum fruit extract exhibits anti-cancer activity against early-stage human colon cancer cells and colon cancer stem cells.
This tastes better.
The Haughton Court Summit is one more reason for us to love Lucy.
Now waste RADA water.